How to obtain a parallel beam of light? Stuck two pins perpendicularly parallel to each other on thermocol block as shown figure. Now observe the shadows of pins by keeping a source of light or candle very near to it. As we move the candle away from pins, the angle of divergence gets reduced. If we move the source far away, we will get a parallel shadows. But as we move the candle away, the light intensity becomes low. So, to obtain parallel beam of light, we must and should remember 2 points: that the source of light should be at long distance and it must be of sufficient intensity. For example, sun. The sun rays are coming towards earth. The sun rays are parallel rays. The sun rays are parallel rays. Why? Because sun is a source of light which is at a long distance and it has sufficient intensity of light, so that whatever the rays which are getting from the sun, are parallel beam of light. Now let us define what is focal point and focal length. In case of concave mirror, this is a concave mirror and these are parallel rays. These parallel rays will get reflected and intersect at a point, and that point is said to be focal point. So in case of concave mirror, all reflected rays converge or intersect at a point. That point is called focal point. Now let us define what is focal length. The distance between pole and focal point is called focal length. It is denoted by small f. Now in case of convex mirror, all parallel rays appear to diverge after reflection. If we extend these lines, the reflected rays, if we extend these lines backwards, the reflected rays meet at a point and that point is called focal point. So as shown figure, F is focal point of convex mirror. Thank you very much.